David here from Hemp Heroes. So today we're starting our new video series called Hemp Heroes Real Life Heroes. The aim of this is to put a spotlight on some of the best people and organisations across the country who are doing absolutely amazing work and deserve more recognition. So right now we're at Wicklow Animal Welfare run by Fiona, and they're a fantastic charity who we work with as part of our Giving Back initiative. So keep following us to see more.
Wicklow Animal Welfare is dedicated to rescuing, rehabilitating and rehoming dogs. Unfortunately, they don't receive any government grants as they have a no-kill policy. As you can imagine, we wanted to bring every one of these guys home. These cute little guys are all ready for adoption and looking for their forever home.
This guy definitely stole the show.
From playful puppies with bundles of energy, newborn litters, to some friendly mature dogs, Wicklow Animal Welfare really do have a dog for every family's needs. As you can see, all the dogs in the rescue are super friendly and well looked after by all the volunteers here in the rescue. We also got to meet this gorgeous girl who is seeing amazing results from her CBD after her surgery. So remember, if you are looking for a dog, please adopt and don't shop.
David here from Hemp Heroes. So as you can see, we're up at the DSPCA here for episode 2 of Hemp Heroes Real Life Heroes. Keep following us to see more. Yeah, this is a completely new building, isn't it?
Yeah, this is brand new cattery. It only opened a few months ago, so I don't know if you remember the previous building that was here.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Literally a fraction of the size.
Oh wow, it is much bigger, yeah.
So it's brilliant. So we've 85% of space, and we have our office here for the adoptions team. And then our
You currently have at the moment.
oh gosh,
You look like
between
you've a lot,
here in
yeah.
the cattery, and then we have other units that we have, and then at foster we've probably about 120 cats.
Yeah.
Are they beautiful?
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful.
These two are the siblings.
Ah, okay.
Gorgeous. I know, babies. So see, this
Oh,
one's
it's got a new home. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
The DSPCA has been in existence since 1840, making it Ireland's oldest animal welfare charity and over 180 years old. They rescue a wide range of animals, both domestic and wildlife. We then got the opportunity to meet this gorgeous terrier cross called Capone. As you can see, Capone here is full of character.
Time for your CBD.
Oh, just
Huh?
a happy big guy.
Sit
Oh, just
down.
look at that, a happy
Wait.
oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Good, my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that.
Wait.
Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Good, my happy
Eat.
guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Good, my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
All gone?
Just a look at that.